Hello everyone. How to pick your divorce attorney? Of course, this is a very important question because you'll be accompanied by your attorney on one of the most difficult journeys in your life, which is divorce, and you'll be making amazingly important decisions. So having an attorney that you feel comfortable with, that is experienced, knowledgeable, has time for your case is key. And let me tell you, I learned from my own mistakes. I hired an attorney from internet who was very highly positioned and highly paid, but didn't really have much time for my case. I felt like attorney promised me way too much, and then that was not delivered. And really, I was a very small person, and the attorney had other bigger cases, so I really wasn't a priority in any way. So here are some tips for you to consider. Number one, I would ask people that are working in the divorce field for recommendations. So someone like myself, divorce coach, other attorneys, financial experts, realtors, mortgage people who work in the field. So number one, recommendation. Number two, you take few names and you do online research. Are there any complaints? What college this person went to? When did they graduate? How long did they practice in this field? Which courts do they practice in? So it's important to know the judges and the way of the court. And generally, are there any other red flags online that are coming up? Number three is you meet with the attorney and you ask questions about the way they work, their workload, their experience. Have they been litigating in the past? That's quite important because a lot of cases do go to litigations. And really listen to your intuition and find out about how they work, who they delegate work to, how are they organized? Are they keeping notes when they talk to you? How does their office look like? Is it cluttered or is it clean? Do they appear knowledgeable? Do they appear like they care about this case? And are they really eager to take your case? Do they really care? That is very, very important. Number four is what their fees are, right? And they range from $250 to $600. There's a retainer, which could be from about, let's say, $2,000 up to $10,000. So that will be a consideration for you as well. And I would encourage you to not necessarily be guided by that, because you may miss a very good attorney who will be very efficient and effective. Maybe it will cost more, but it will be much better for you. And then you might want to, once you collect all this information, you may want to brainstorm with someone who is knowledgeable about this field to help you make a decision. And definitely your intuition is a great guide, and the matching of personalities. And really another important thing to keep attention to is how realistic the attorney was. So you don't want, if a person is promising you way too much, like you feel that is just may not be too realistic, it probably is. So again, ask for recommendations, do online research, come prepared and ask questions, consider the finances, and be guided by your intuition. And finally, consult with someone who's working in this field on making your final decision. Good luck, and contact me if you have any questions at magdaellis.com. Thank you.